Making textures in Photoshop the easier way for your architectural renderings. Hi guys, welcome to this newest video. So if you have clicked on this video, you guys must be making an architectural floor plan in Photoshop. And you guys are finding a easier way to put the textures in the floor plan. And in this video, I'm going to tell you guys a method and a website to find textures properly and a method in Photoshop to add these textures in a faster way. Now the website which I'm going to talk about is called architectures.com. The link is there in the description below. Click on it and after that just choose the choice of textures which you like, download it and drag it into Photoshop. Now you have two methods to do this. One, you can use the textures directly in Photoshop, copy and make enormous amounts of layers, or you can save it as a pattern and use it in a selection method. We want to do step number 2 for this because it is much faster. So in order to make any kind of textures as a pattern, all you have to do is just simply drag that pattern into Photoshop in an entirely new canvas, and then after that go to edit, click on define pattern, give your pattern a name and save, and you are good to go. Now open your floor plan in a new canvas, make the selection properly using the selection tool of your floor, go to a new layer, click on Command or Control backspace and then fill the layer with any random color, just for your reference. And then after that go to Layer tab, double click on the Layer tab and click on Pattern Overlay. And then once you click on the Pattern Overlay, you have to select the choice of pattern which you have just made a while ago. And if this is not your first time, you will have an enormous set of patterns already in your Photoshop. And just click on the choice of pattern which you like or which you have just made a while ago, and then just adjust the scale, adjust the rotation of it, and you are good to go. The best part of this one method is that if you are planning to change the selection later on, let's say you're increasing this one part of the floor plan, just select that part and then click on Command or Control backspace again, and the pattern will be filled on that area as well. That is the good part of using a pattern overlay method. Another good trick which we use in our projects is that we reduce the opacity of these patterns. And when we are doing that, it gives a very good feel when you are printing it out. With that being said, that is enough for this video. This is how you make a pattern out of your texture and use it properly in a much faster way in Photoshop. The website's link which I mentioned in this video is called architectures.com. The link is there in the description below as well. With that being said, if you're someone who is new to the channel, do make sure to subscribe and comment down below about what you guys think about this video. We are Studio Contour and we'll be back with a new video soon. Peace out.